What you got there, huh? What you got there? One dead squirrel. Compliments of the zoo. The Zooster. Dead squirrel. Zooster. Hey. What you got there? Hey, what is that? What is that? Is that dinner tonight? Is that dinner for tonight? You wish, huh? Yeah. It's still warm. She just did it. My goodness. There's the mighty hunter.